Hello everybody and welcome to Improve My Maths, a maths channel to help you to improve your maths by yourself. In this video we will be learning another addition mental strategy. We will be learning how to add 3-digit numbers in our heads easily. This strategy is called paired numbers, part 2. This video was made to help children who are around 8 and 9 years old. So make sure it is suitable for you and the class you're in, whatever country that is. So, what are mental strategies? Mental strategies help us to do addition and subtraction sums in our heads easily and quickly without using paper. Today's mental strategy is called paired numbers. Part 2. It's called Part 2 because we will be adding 3-digit numbers that are pairs. In Part 1 we added 2-digit numbers that were pairs. Let's do our first example. 305 plus 298. Remember to do this in your head. Because these numbers are near each other, or like pairs, we're going to round them. So to round 305, you're going to round that down to 300. 298 though, because the 98 is near to 300, we'll round it up to 300. So 305 is 300 plus 5, and 298 is 300 take away 2. Now 300 plus 300 is equal to 600. And 5 take away 2 is equal to 3. So 600 plus 3 equals 603. Well done! Let's do one more just to make sure we understand. Try pressing pause in a moment to see if you can do it by yourself. Press pause and we'll do the answer afterwards. Let's see if you are correct. Now here is the solution. 406 plus 398. Because these numbers are near each other, or like pairs, we're going to round them. 406 gets rounded down to 400. 398 gets rounded up to 400. 406 is the same as 400 plus 6. 398 is the same as 400 take away 2. 400 and 400 is 800. 6 take away 2 is 4. So 800 plus 4 is equal to 804. Excellent work. Let's do one last one to make sure we understand. I want you to pause the video to see if you can do it by yourself. This one is slightly different because the hundreds don't round to the same number. But have a go anyway. Press pause and we'll do the answer afterwards. Let's see if you are correct. Here is the solution. Well, 505 gets rounded to 500 plus 5, and the 397 gets rounded to 400 take away 3. 500 and 400 is 900, plus 5 take away 3 is 900 plus 2, which is equal to 902. Super work. Great job. Hopefully you have mastered a new addition mental strategy today. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.